pink washing machine. What color you have?
White.
So you never purchased the extended warranty?
Yeah?
We never purchased the extended warranty.
What do you mean?
When you bought the machine in October, right?
Yeah, the 10th of October.
It was like almost a month now.
No, not really a month.
Okay, so is the first time you're having a problem with it?
Yes.
So hold on. Lisa, between me and you pay $12,500 for the washing machine, right?
Yeah.
You did expect to use the machine more than once?
What do you mean?
No, not. But you never buy the $16,000 one or the $40,000 one. When you buy a washing machine so cheap, it's called disposable washing machine. You only can use it once, so you have to throw it basically. You shouldn't buy the more expensive Whirlpool or Samsung or one of them there.
Well, look now, but they tell the girls that the 16,000 when I have one, you know, I should say, them don't have no more.
Yeah, it did out of stock. Remember on that date in October, it did out of stock. So you should buy two of that because you can use it 2 times. So I trouble you give me enough to come with a new one now, you know. I don't know if you come back and buy a rainbow. You sound like you have sex with Oli. You buy a bed from me? You buying the bed from me?
No, I buy one dresser, I buy one TV, I buy one big machine, 26,000 other.
Wow. Your man treat you good? Oh, not him, or you. Okay, sorry. You know, say, nice girl like yours have your man take care of you, you know? So the machine, everything's outside right now, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll be there in 30 minutes. If it does, so we show up in 5 minutes, call me back.
Alright.
Alright.
Monday.
The office time to come back in the customer sent him to the wrong address. It's 125A Mullins Road, past WorldNet and the car dealership. So the office time to come back until we get the right address. Yeah, tell him to come back. What is the correct address, Miss Lisa?
25A Mullins Road, right in front of where
2 to 5A or 25A?
25A Mullins.
You're in a pretty top?
Yes, I'm in a pretty top.
Oh Lord. Alright, you have to wait till him come back and we'll send him back out there, you hear?
Yeah?
He has to come back to the office. Can have 2 other deliveries. You hear me? He has 2 other deliveries, so he has to come back to the office. Your man don't have the car.
No.
I'm gonna make him just carry it to the office. Alright, you can wait till him drop off the other 2 stuff them and come back to you. No, we have to pick up the old goods first.
Can't believe it, yo.
Your credit done?
Yes.
Okay. So you can do the 2 deliveries first, then come back to you?
If you can't do the 2 deliveries,
Him have 2 other delivery for 2 customers.
so how long is it going to take?
But now that's why I'm asking if you can just do the 2 delivery and then come back to you.
So I'm going to just come to me now.
Yeah, it's not like you have clothes to wash.
Yeah, I have clothes to wash.
So wait, you never used to use your hand wash clothes before the machine?
No.
But it's so hot. Your man can't wash. Lisa, your man can't wash.
No.
Give like 45 minutes or hour now and then come back to you. Cause you get the wrong address, you know. You said 125A. Him never knows how you to look for. That's my assistant to help him take out the machine. So what do you want me to tell him to do? You can call in sick. You know, can call him sick tomorrow.
No, we're not. Of course, that's the work.
Oh, post office, I will need your services. You know, the other Ganzi frack for put on.
No.
Alright, remember so him can do because I wrong address in the go. And him see you in our pretty address, but they never know it's you.
So I never asked him, I see my name, but he said he don't say no. I see my name, I look for me. I look
You can WhatsApp me a picture so I can show him, please.
I don't have no service.
Okay. So you never give us an ID when you rebirth the machine.
Yes.
We never make a record of it.
No.
Alright. Let me call back the technician and the delivery man. You can hold on? Lisa?
Yes?
You can hold on, please?
Yes. Till what time?
No, don't hang up. I'm saying hold up on the phone.
Alright.
I get the driver now. Lisa? Yes, the driver is on the line. Master Gary, the lady said that you passed her on Mullines Road and she needed to drop off the washing machine because she have to go to work in the morning and she don't have any other frack to wear to the post office. Is that true, Lisa?
Yes, sir.
But me tell her when she not just wash the clothes with her hand or ask her man for wash it. But she said no, him not know for wash. Him not know for wash, Lisa. Hey, Lisa? So, but you sent Gary to the wrong address. Him never have on a shirt, right?
Okay.
So Gary, you can tell Miss Lisa when they're going to be able to drop off the washing machine.
I'm going to do it tomorrow. You got up tomorrow?
Yes, I'm going to work tomorrow.
Okay.
But the machine, the one over take up back, is on the road now.
Yes.
But me tell you, it's only the pink one Gary can deliver.
Yeah?
It's only the pink one Gary can deliver.
Eh.
Yes, I want it.
You take the pink one for the white one?
Yes.
Alright, so you did take up back the pubic hair them out of the one where you have, right?
Yeah.
And Lisa?
That's all it is for that.
Lisa?
What are you saying, sir?
Remember what I said about the one that I take back from you, and someone if you did clean it up.
Eh, somebody.
Yes.
No farmer debris.
No debris. Our pum pum here come out. Alright. Gary, you can just work out with Lisa when you can come drop off that if not tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning.
Not tomorrow morning, sir. I'm on the RD.
Tomorrow morning. First thing, at the clock strike 3.
Time have other deliveries, Lisa, but if him come now, you have to give him $3,762.